The committee decided as follows. 1. Retain the monetary policy rate at 26.5%. 2. Retain the standing facilities corridor around the MPR at plus 50 to minus 450 basis points. 3. Retain the cash reserve requirement, CRR, for deposit money banks at 45%, merchant banks at 16%, and non-TSA public sector deposits at 75%. The committee's decision to maintain the current policy stance followed a thorough assessment of the balance of risks. Although the headline inflation moderated marginally in June 2026, global uncertainties have heightened due mainly to the renewed hostilities in the Middle East. In view of the evolving developments, maintaining a cautious monetary policy stance remains appropriate. Available evidence suggests that the Nigerian economy has remained largely resilient to the external shocks, reflecting the gains from prior reforms implemented by the fiscal and monetary authorities. However, maintaining the current monetary policy stance will provide an opportunity to closely monitor incoming data and assess the trajectory of inflation to guide future policy decisions. MPC acknowledged the federal government's renewed commitment to strengthening policy coordination, with particular emphasis on the ongoing collaboration with the Monetary Authority, which has helped to moderate the impact of the Middle East crisis on the domestic economy. Members thus noted that greater alignment between fiscal and monetary policies would enhance policy effectiveness and support the achievement of overall macroeconomic objectives. To further strengthen macroeconomic fundamentals, the committee underscored the potential benefits of Executive Order 9. The MPC welcomed the positive outcome of the banking sector recapitalization exercise, noting the improvement in the resilience of the banking system as reflected in key prudential and financial soundness indicators. It nevertheless urged the bank to sustain effective surveillance to preserve financial sector soundness and mitigate potential risks to financial stability. However, core inflation moderated to 15.92% in June 2026 from 16.82% in May 2026, largely on the back of exchange rate stability. Similarly, the 12-month average inflation rate sustained its decline to 17.63% in June 2026 from 18.36% in May 2026, marking the 6th month of consecutive moderation and reflecting a slower pace of price increases over the medium term. external reserves rose to $52.52 billion as of July 17, 2026, from $50.47 billion as of end of May 2026, mainly as a result of receipts from crude oil-related taxes and third-party inflows. This is sufficient to finance approximately 11 months of import of goods and services, surpassing the international benchmark of 3 months